Cereal.
Girl, can I have your cereal? You gonna eat that? You gonna eat your cereal?
Yeah.
You gonna eat it? What kind of cereal is that, girl?
Cheerios.
What kind? Honey Nut or original?
Tiny Nut Cheerios.
Oh, damn, girl! That is my cereal! That is my cereal! You gonna let me have some of that cereal?
No, it's my cereal.
You gonna let me have some of that cereal, though?
No, if you need cereal, buy your own.
My baby daddy don't pay me. He's supposed to. He's supposed to. He's supposed to, but he don't. He don't pay me. You gonna give me some cereal?
No.
Girl, I'm about to go egg butt on your butt.
What?
Give me some of that damn cereal.
No.
Do I look like a person that wants cereal? Yes, I do. Do I look like a person who wants a lip from some pretty little princess? No, I don't. Give me some goddamn cereal. I don't care about your spit. Oh, you gonna go that way? You gonna go that way? Gonna go that way? I ate your cereal.
Did you just take my spoon?
I just ate your cereal.
Did you just take my spoon?
Dub-a-dub.
Give me my spoon back.
Nope. I got them Cheerios now.
Can you just give me my Cheerios back?
Nope. You don't want this. I live in places where you never even would go to the bathroom. So, I got a lot of diseases probably. Probably got some rabies in me. About the dog bites.
I want
My
Cheerios.
husband beating me, so them open sores get all that nasty in it. You know?
Can I have my Cheerios back?
Nope. Nope, you can't.
You know what? Have my Cheerios.
Thank you.
Have my... No!